Hi Juan, my name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So you got Juan Escobar Real Estate, so it is showing that you are a realtor, which is good. So compliments on that. If anybody finds its Facebook page, they're going to know you're a realtor. A lot of realtors don't even have that, so that's good. But I couldn't find a website anywhere. So it actually took me some time to find out that you work for Lionstall. And I don't even know if that is who you work for still. It's kind of hard to find. And if I can't find it, I'm willing to bet you that the customers are not going to find it too. These clients are not going to look as hard to find out who you are and where you work for as I did for this video. But so I would highly suggest putting like your brokerage and maybe the link to your brokerage's website. But bottom line, it doesn't look like you have a website. So we're going to use Lionstall's website for the purposes of this video. So obviously they have a website. And the couple things is like, first of all, obviously I would highly recommend you get a website of your own because I'm not sure how many leads this website's bringing you. How many people said, hey, I went to lionstall.com and found you, Juan. That's where I got your name from. Probably not very many. But so when you do get your own website, there's three things we're going to talk about that to implement in that website. And the first is content. So content is king. Search engines love content. The more content you have, the more higher you're going to rank and the more visible your website's going to become. But content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is that very important, especially in real estate, how you save your photos. A lot of times when we upload photos to places, the computer generates a file name for it that is random letters and numbers, and it brings us no value. So just keep in mind that search engines, Google in particular, read on the back end how you save your photos. So if a photo is saved as random numbers and letters, it's not going to do you any good. So you're going to want to make sure that you save your photos properly among those other things like alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles. So that's as far as the website goes. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Inglewood, California realtors. All right, we got these ads up here, the Google ads, we got all these ads. But as far as the Google My Business page goes, with the citations, we got Coldwell Banker, Gene Armstrong, we got Inglewood Board of Realtors, and we got Christy Thomas. So Christy Thomas is here. She's a realtor. So that's the biggest thing I want to point out is that as a realtor, even if you're not a broker and you don't have your own brokerage, you can have a Google My Business page. And she's here. And believe me, she's bringing in leads from this, okay? And then also, like, Lionstall, their website's not here anywhere on the first page. So I'm imagining that you're not, like I said, getting much call volume from that website. But so obviously, I would highly recommend getting a Google My Business page. This is Christy Thomas's. We're going to use this for the purposes of the video. I actually couldn't find a Google My Business page for Lionstall. So if they do have one, I apologize for not finding it. But either way, this is what one's going to look like. But it'll say Juan Escobar, and it'll have your pictures and your photos. So there's a couple things I want to talk about this. First of all, we recommend 25 reviews. So Christy's got 25 reviews at 5.0. Obviously, she is she's doing pretty good, but we recommend 25 minimum. So she's at 25. So you're just going to want to start out small, and obviously we all know the importance of reviews. So just keep working on those reviews. 25 minimum, and then obviously once you get to 25, keep going. Now, if you're worried about an address, I know a lot of people are. So if your brokerage won't let you use their address for your Google My Business page, then you can use your home address, but then you just block it out. So the public won't be able to see the address if that is your concern. So that's something that if it's hindering you from getting a Google My Business page, I would not let it. And then you're going to want to put your hours in your phone. Obviously, once you have a website, you're going to want to link your website to it. The other thing is these photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum. And so Christy looked like she has well above 10, but you're going to want 10 minimum. So you're going to want 10 photos minimum. And the thing to keep in mind again is how those photos are saved. Search engines read how the photos are saved, so make it valuable content. So 10 photos minimum, 25 reviews. If the address is of concern, don't worry about it, but I would highly suggest getting yourself a Google My Business page and getting as many citations as you can. The last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL, your domain can be found. So for this video, I use lionstall.com. That's their website. That's your website currently. You guys have 264 backlinks from 70 referring domains. But if you look, your domain rating is a 27 out of 100. That's very low. So the thing to keep in mind with backlinks is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and sites that are not spammy. So just keep that in mind. Some backlinks are free, some backlinks you pay for. No matter what, you want to get good backlinks from powerful sites that are relevant to the trade and not spammy. Very important. And with a 27 domain rating, you'd even be able to beat Lionstall's website. So very important to keep backlinks in mind. Backlinks and domain rating kind of equate to power, and the more power you have, the more visible you're going to become, and obviously the more content you have, the more value you provide to the public, and so the higher Google and these search engines are going to rank you in your website. And so that's about it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, do feel free to get in touch with us. And I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some revenue. And just let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.